Hello everyone, myself Arun, and today in this video, I'm going to provide a quick walkthrough of this bulk certificate generator tool, which generates all the certificates in one single click of button here. So basically, it's we have a data over here in this sheet. So here we have a name column, and the other column is the date column. So what this tool is doing is it will generate one by one all the PDF certificates from here till the last row into this folder path, which I have provided here on cell G2. So this is the folder path that I have provided here. So once clicking on, it will generates one by one all the names of the certificates at a time. So I'm just need to click on this bulk print button, and one by one all the files will be saved in this certificates folder. We have given this folder path, so it's very easy. I have created all the names here. Let's say I'm using one more name that is test one, and it should be in September. These are all dynamic. As we can see, we have a lot of different dates, but we can provide the dates over here, and these are the names that will be taken into the creation of certificates from column A. Now I am clicking on this button, and one by one it will generate all the certificates in one go. So it's very fast tool to create certificates in very few seconds, I guess. So in very few seconds, I can see a lot of files has been created. So let's see one by one. So this certificate has been generated through the my name, date, and then this one is the other one. So this one is for Divya Bharti. Date is also different, and the name Divya Bharti. Then so on for this is for Mohit Bhardwaj. This is the name. So this is the PDF file that's generated from that Excel tool, and they all are dynamically. So basically, whenever we have a lot of certificates to be printed, so we can use this tool, and definitely it will save our time and efforts as well. So we can just put all the data on sheet one and then just click on this button, and that's it. So it's very easy tool to configure. And on this tab, if we want to have add another, image as for the custom image, so we can just put over here, and it's very easy to use this tool. So I hope you like this video, and maybe this tool might be useful in your case. So if any customizations or any or for the requesting of this file, you can just reach me out. I will be sending my email address and my WhatsApp or Telegram details in the description part of this video. And so thanks. So thank you for watching this video, and have a good day. Take care. Bye-bye.